Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys the lash order that I got from Rose Gold XO. Alright, so today I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got from this brand that I saw on Facebook, and I always love to click on those little small indie brands. First, I make sure they're legit. Just make sure you're always checking before you're ordering things from smaller companies that you're not really sure about. But I checked this one out. They were real. So I went ahead and I placed an order. What caught my eye with them, and the reason why I ordered from them, were they have these really awesome adhesive eyelash felt tip pens. So essentially, instead of putting lash glue on your lashes and then applying the lashes, waiting for the lash glue to dry, you apply this directly to your eye, kind of like magnetic liner, and then the lashes just stick right to it. So I was instantly drawn to these ones versus other ones because look at them. The packaging is stunning. I'm a sucker for anything that's glittery, sparkly, rose gold, and that is literally what these are all about. So these are amazing. If they had more, I would have gotten more. But what I did was I bought the clear and I bought the black liner. Like I said, they're gorgeous. They're both a little bit different, but they are so, so pretty. They were $7.99 each. There was a coupon code, which I'll put below, which is RG10, and that takes 10% off of your order. I went to their website to order these, and I've also been super into finding cool, crazy, more dramatic lashes. So I was looking at their site because they do have lashes. They're originally a lash company, and I went ahead and I got some lashes as well because they have some really awesome, very dramatic, look at these. These are crazy, but they're amazing in all the right ways. And then there's these ones. So these are some of the ones that I got here. So I got 4 different lashes, and they're just really crazy voluminous lashes. This one right here is the Rose Gold XO. So this one is called XO. This is the main luxury lash that they have. And then these ones were some other ones that I bought. So a total of 4 lashes is what I got. The Kiss It, Pretty, and Rosy, which are the normal lashes, were $3.99, which is super cheap. And then the XO, which is the luxury lash, was $6.99. So again, really, really great price for lashes. So what I want to do is I want to test out this liner with you guys, and I also want to just try on some of these lashes. So we're going to go ahead and I'll do the clear adhesive and try on a pair of lashes, and then we can black adhesive and try on another pair. That way you can kind of see how the black is, if we need to add black liner on afterwards, so on and so forth, how well they go on and how well they hold the lashes onto my eye. We're gonna start with the clear, which is this one right here. So when you take the little cap off, it has a little felt tip, which it's a nice small thin felt tip, which is good. So it should be easy to get it nice and precise. And I prefer felt tip over an actual brush, just because it's a lot easier to draw that line. And then we're gonna go ahead and put on, let's do these ones because they're crazy. They curl up, they're fun. So we'll go ahead and put these ones on with the clear adhesive, and we'll see how these work. So I'm just cutting the tips of these off because they do have the little tip and I don't wanna get stabbed. I'm gonna take this clear adhesive liner. One thing I will say right off the bat that I can already tell is gonna be a little complicated is you're not gonna be able to see where you're putting this because it's clear. With the black one, obviously we'll be able to see. So you just wanna start on your inner corner and go in a consistent line all the way. And I would probably go over this twice just to make sure I really got it all, since you can't see where it's actually going. And I'm just doing this right across my thing. So I will say automatically off the bat, it is taking my eye makeup off. Now in the grand scheme of things, since the lash is gonna get put here, should be fine. But there is makeup all over this now. So I feel like after every time you use this, you're gonna have to make sure you clean it off. I just got my little lash holders here. I'm gonna start here in the middle and just press it down. I do feel the stickiness. I do feel like it's sticking. It is, it's definitely sticking. The inner corner here. Exactly what I wanted. Was crazy, so that's what I got. All right. Oh yeah, these are extra. Woo! Let's put the other one on. So I guess you can see where you're putting it on because when it is removing your eyeshadow where the line's going. The only thing I'm annoyed by is just that it's gonna get dirty. So it's not gonna stay white and clean because it's got eyeshadow on it, and that's just what's gonna happen. I am cleaning it off after every use, but yeah, I would just make sure you're cleaning it after you use it. They are a lot. Like, I feel like they're gonna look good with like a wig or something though, but like by themselves, just with like my natural hair is like, bam! I mean, they're definitely sticking on really well. Like, I'm not, like, it's stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. My husband's not a fan, as you can tell. He thinks they're too much. There's no such thing as too much. Okay. Whew, maybe there is such thing as too much. I feel like I want to put a wig on just to show you guys what these look like with a wig, because I feel like they look crazy, like crazy because of my hair. So let's throw a wig on. I would wear these. Woo! All right. These are a lot. These are the most extra lashes I think I've ever owned in my life. They like cover my whole eye. Okay. All right, so these are these ones, and the glue, they're stuck on there. They're not going anywhere. They seem good. They're a little long. I might cut them, trim them, but they are stuck where that lash glue is that we put down. So as far as the functionality of the glue is good, and I did feel like a little bit of a tug when I was pulling them off, so they would have stayed on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try the black liner out so you guys can see how that is. We can see if the formula is any different or anything like that. And we'll put on one more lash so you guys can see them. And yeah, let's do these ones. These are crazy long too, but they're not curly. They're more of a straight long. So they're gonna be fun. I am gonna go ahead and put this black right over top of the other glue that I have on there. It doesn't really feel tacky anymore, but I just don't want to have to redo my eye makeup or anything, so we're just gonna go over it. So this is the black one here, and this packaging is probably my favorite out of the two because it's just covered in crystals, and it has like this line here that lines up with the lid. So it's got this rose gold line here, and then it's just crystals all the way around. It's perfect for me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now. So obviously this one is gonna be a lot easier to tell where it's going on because you're gonna see the black as you use it. So I'm just doing a line, making sure I have the whole area done. You wanna get as close to your lash line as you can so that there isn't a gap. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a second just to make sure it's, you know, tacky and everything while I open this up. So these ones we're gonna have to trim too. They do have a little bit of a tail on either side, which is pretty common. You just wanna cut those off so they're not stabbing you in the eyeball, because it'll feel like pokey and you won't know why, and that's the reason. You can also trim these up if they're too long for you. I don't mind them sticking out a little bit past my lash, so I'm gonna leave them alone. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and stick these on and see how this goes. I'm just placing in the middle and then sticking it inner corner and then the outer. It really does stick on like really well and quickly. Just this inner corner is up a little too high. Oh yeah, so this black liner, guys, look at this. I'm pulling and it's not going anywhere. It's on my eyeball. So make sure the black liner seems a little bit stronger. So just make sure you're really putting it where you want it to go, because once it's on there, it's on there. Because yeah, that's on there. It's not going anywhere. It is a lot easier than glue, guys, for sure. Because you don't have to wait for it to dry. You're not gonna make a mess. And you can make it very precise. The glue's gonna go exactly where you want it to go, so it's not gonna be stuck all over in weird places. These ones probably do need to be trimmed. These come out a little bit too much, but they are super crazy and super fun. All right, so these are the ones in Kiss It, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and trim these. With a crazier eyeshadow look, these would be awesome, but this kind of hide my eyeshadow look right now. Or like they're good for like taking pictures, like if you're taking Instagram photos like this. You know, you have to walk around with your eyes closed and then it'll look amazing. But yeah. Check this company out. I'll put the link down below. Like I said, it's Rose Gold XO. Their lashes are really nice. They have a lot more lashes on their site, and those little eyeliner adhesives, they obviously work and they are super cute. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and give me a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And then make sure you hit the little notification bell so you get notifications for any videos I do in the future. And I will see you guys on the next video.